Hi there, welcome to the Building Your Tiny House Dream video tutorial series. I'm Chris, I run a company called Tiny Industrial, and along with the book of the same title, I'll be showing you how to build this exact house. So follow along, I'll be releasing a new video every Wednesday, and hit subscribe so you don't miss a single episode. Alright, so in this episode we're going to go over some of the basics of getting the trailer set up to be worked on, and the things that you're going to need to do so. So this one is not building yet, but it's important anyway. Alright, so we got all the stuff here that we need to get started on the Gypsy Wagon trailer build. I've purchased plywood, I've purchased 2x12s, bunch of 12-foot long 2x4s, a couple 8-footers. We got the trailer. I think we're ready now. Just to recap, the trailer was $1,350 and I just spent $70 on Okay, so with the trailer, first thing you're going to want to do is level this thing. That's what you need one of these bad boys for. So the level here shows you, where you're at in terms of that. You put this on one of these nice rails, and what you'll see is that this trailer currently is not quite leveled. So, how do we do that? Well, we do it with the help of these things. So you got these jack stands. I've got 2 of these. I'm going to put those under the back corners over here. And then through the use of the front lifter thingy on the hitch end, I'm going to balance this thing out, and you'll see how lovely that is. All right.
Okay, so we're gonna get this thing evened out with these, like I said. So these are gonna go into the back. So let me get these back here. Actually, what we'll do is we'll lower the front a little bit. Get these under the back. Now make sure you have your trailer in whatever position you want it to be in when you're building. I'm pretty happy with where it is right now. So I am just going to get these on here. Now these are going to take, these are going to need a little block of wood like this. Just kind of goes under there. All right, now what this is doing is you are creating a level surface and you're creating a steady surface. And why is this important? Well, we're going to be doing some upright work on this. Obviously, there's going to be a back and a front and sides. And if you don't level out the trailer right from the get-go, you run the risk of, building something crooked, basically. I mean, that's the easiest way to say it. And you don't want to do that. Definitely don't want to do that. So let me get these things under here. There we go. All right, that's about right. So we want to level this thing not only lengthwise, but we also want to level it from a sideways perspective. So now that we've got those jack stands under the back, we're going to crank this up. All right, let's see how we're doing over here. That's pretty good, actually. A little bit more. And another touch. Okay, so we will check that there. That looks good. We'll check this side. That looks perfect. And we'll check it this way. You know what? That's pretty good too. We come up a touch on this side. We'll check in the back as well. So what we did is when we cranked up the front by the hitch end, what happened was that it deflected towards the back and started putting pressure on these jack stands. Now what that does is it takes weight off of the wheels of the trailer. There we go. And then what you do to get, well, the lengthwise balancing is actually pretty easy to do. For me to even this out now, in terms of the horizontal stuff, I'm just raising or lowering one or the other of these jack stands. So that's completely evened out. That's fine, that's level. Let's check the front. Yeah, that's pretty darn good. It's a hair off, like these angle irons don't necessarily need to be perfectly straight. Let's see how it is over here. Yeah, that's pretty darn close. So there you have it. So that's balanced out now. And the added benefit is, like I said, it takes weight off of the springs, puts it onto these jack stands. You don't have that level of flex in this thing anymore. Whereas if the jack stands weren't under there, there'd be a lot more bounce in it because it would be bouncing on the leaf springs that the trailer has. Anyway, there you go. That's how you level the trailer. Step one.